Hello, my name is John Mad Dog Hall, and I am the founder of Project Cauã. You are probably a small business person, and in your small business you would have two, three, perhaps four computers, but you cannot afford to have a systems administrator to help you take care of them. You do not really understand computers, you know your business very well, but you've never studied computers enough, and you don't know how to do things like look at backups or look at an error log to see what pieces of equipment are failing on you. It's hard for you to get rid of viruses or spam. You don't know how to set up a network in your small business. These are things which Project Cauã professionals can do. A Project Cauã professional is a university student who has been using computers for a very long time. They are typically computer science or computer engineering students, and although they get their tuition at the university for free, they need to have money for an apartment, for internet, for books, for computers, and for other things that students need. They work for you as an independent professional with their own business. They know how to do these things because they've been doing them for years, doing them for their family, for their neighborhood, things like that. But now they live away from their family, and they need this extra money so that they can go to university. Working together as a partnership, you can have better computer systems, more reliable, and be able to fix problems faster. Over time, your Project Cauã professional will find new software for you to use. Perhaps this software will be free of charge, and the Project Cauã professional can show you how to use it. They can show you how to make your business more efficient using this software. We urge you to think about hiring a Project Cauã professional. They will sign a contract with you. You will pay them a small amount of money every month, and they will work for you for 3 to 4 hours every week, with the hours being negotiated by you as the proper time to come in and do the work on your computer systems. My name is John Mad Dog Hall, and I am the founder of Project Cauã.